Hey everyone, I have another OCC unboxing for you. Today this one is for a girl 10 to 14 and it's a native wilderness kind of theme to it. I've never done a wilderness theme for a girl before, so I'm excited about this one. This is one of those bins that the OCC director here really likes, so I've been trying to use more of them. And I managed to get a full-size backpack in here. So, alright, we'll start off. Now these bins, they're not thin, they're just short, but these bins are much thicker than the Dollarama bins that I buy. So we'll start at the top. She has these water socks. I bought these off of Amazon for my daughter, but then we ended up just buying her some water shoes instead. So I thought I'd give them to this girl. Inside here, she has some balloons. Now these balloons are biodegradable. That's what the packaging said. And there's little hearts on them. And that is her other water sock. Now I have two of these little Pocahontas dolls. I found these at Winners on clearance for $2. I have one of these in a 5 to 9 box, and I think that this is more appropriate for a 5 to 9, but I really wanted to add it with my theme, and my daughter mentioned that she thought it would be fine because the colors are very mature on this doll, and so she has very soft velvety hair, and she has beans on the bottom, so hopefully this little girl likes this Pocahontas doll. She has this really cute heart on the top. She could use it as a rubber band or a hair tie. I did mostly like a sunset color type of theme in her box with blue because the sky is blue. She has a compass with a magnifier, and there's also a ruler on this. She has this sack that has feathers on it. Inside she has a couple hair ties, and then she has two pair of underwear. These are both size 14. She has this sack. Now I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of sparkle on this deer sack. Inside she has one of these flashlights that I like to add in with extra batteries. Now I did a wilderness theme shoebox last year for a boy, and in that one I had I had a battery powered lantern, and I put a lot of batteries in his box. So I find that these bins tend to sink down after they've been sitting for a few months, so I will definitely add in another pair of batteries because I think it's good to add extra batteries in, like as many as you can, so that she can get a lot of use out of her flashlight. But yeah, he had a lantern. I will link that video down below if you haven't seen my boy wilderness one. Oops, her keys fell out. She has a little lock with keys and this little deer. And then she has some cotton string. She has her toothbrush, her soap saver that I will put soap in. She has her mirror and brush. She has this collapsible food grade silicone bowl. And then I just added a little muted pink in her box. Pink is my favorite color, but for some reason I don't know, I don't tend to go for it with my boxes. This is her tin. I just put these decorative, they're like skateboard stickers. I just thought they went well with her theme. Inside I attached a few more stickers with some pre-sharpened pencils, a flute, and I thought these sharpeners looked like the moon and a star. I also put in a dry eraser marker. I tested these out and these do work like regular markers, so I added that. She also has an orange pen down there as well as a red, black, and blue inked pen. She has a good size sharpener, and inside she has a little reindeer eraser top, and then she has a carabiner. She has a poncho and her scissors. She has 15 of these erasable colored pencils. And inside I just stuck a sticker sheet. I like these stickers because they have a sun and fish and moon and stars, so I thought they went well with her theme. She has this really nice notebook that I got from the Dollar Tree. I like that it's a bright sun yellow. And inside, she has a really beautiful metal feather bookmark. It's very detailed. So I just put it in her notebook so she could see what it was. She has a bird stencil. And then I couldn't really fit a normal size ball in, so I put in these 3 cedar wood balls. These are supposed to, help keep things fresh, so I thought it might be nice to put in her box. She has a tic-tac-toe game. And inside I just put in enough pieces for her to play with a friend. And there's feather pieces and leaf pieces. And there's also picture instructions. On the side of her bin, she has a little pocket calculator from Staples that is solar powered with the instructions. She has a ruler here. Now she may not make the connection, but this says buffalo. So I picked this one for her box because I thought it went well with her box. And here it is. Here's the backpack. Full-size backpack. It has feathers on it. I got this at the Dollarama. I found it there for $4. Here is the inside. It seems to be good quality. I like the zippers. And then in the front part, more of these skateboard stickers. These are waterproof. I like this one. That one goes really nice with her theme. Joshua tree. It's like an arrowhead sticker. Sequoia. And this one. And then she has one more of these metal feathers. So that'll be a fun little surprise for her when she opens the pouch. But yeah, that's her full-size backpack in a 5-liter bin. She has a washcloth. She has a Canada sticker. And then at the very bottom, this is her folder, and I put one of those destination stickers on it. I love this picture. I just get these off of Pinterest. It's sunflowers. And I love this picture of Pocahontas. I love her outfit and how her hair is blowing in the wind and that she's wearing feathers. And then she has a how to draw a feather. And then I like this picture because she's holding a compass, and she has a compass as well. And then she has a little bit of a bird element to her box, so I like this. She's looking at a bird. And then this one, I just thought that this looked like Pocahontas's friends. Plus she has a little deer figurine. And then her notebook in the back. And I've already put our message and stickers and pictures in that. And that is my box for a girl 10 to 14 in a wilderness theme. Like I said before, if you haven't seen my boy 10 to 14 box, I'll have that link down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.